Mitchell Hurd is known for taking it to opposing teams throughout the ECHL. The Walleye forward is 5th on the team in points, 2nd in penalty minutes, and able to drop the gloves or drop the puck in the back of the net in the blink of an eye. In Toledo, the fan favorite has a reputation for giving back. As BCSN's 𝗦𝗫cie 𝗶𝗵𝗵𝗁 explains, Hurd and a local company have dropped a new partnership aimed at helping families in need.
The message is loud and clear, shouted out most nights at the bank time.
Guess who? Have you heard? It's Mitchell Hurd.
Mitchell Hurd is the kind of player Walleye fans love.
You know, he plays with grit. He does have skill. He competes every single game, and that's what we want. That's what Toledo wants.
And he loves Toledo. That's why he's giving back.
Yeah, I think it's just been an idea of mine that I've had for a long time. I know not everyone's fortunate enough like that in life, so I mean to give back to a good cause, and Family and Child Abuse Prevention Centers it means a lot to me and my family.
Hurd scores!
If you love the Hurd that 𝗦𝗍𝘶, you can wear that on your back. Hurd is partnered with Toledo retailer 𝗬𝗏. $10 of each shirt sold benefit the Family and Child Abuse Prevention Center.
It's for a great cause. I think he went out of his way to do it and really try to donate it to kids who weren't treated the greatest and deserve better.
Whether it's money, clothes, food, that kind of stuff, any money we can donate is a huge success for me.
A lot of guys have him wear them around, and obviously it supports a great cause for Mitchell. So, you know what, it's one thing, and like he does embrace the community, and that's part of him.
And the 419 has embraced him. A native of Newcastle, Ontario, Hurd started the year in Germany. And the roars of approval after 23 goals and 26 assists weren't enough proof. He can see it now.
Coming in the warm-ups, you see the baby blue with the 13. Hurd that it puts a smile on my face. I try to wear mine most warm-ups and lift up the shirt to the fans who wear them and give them a little appreciation and let them know that I support, that they support me. I saw a good chunk in the crowd in the last home game. It made me feel good, and obviously to see my kids in them is a special feeling.
Another special feeling, vying for a Kelly Cup. That quest continues in earnest Friday, hosting Cincinnati in the opening round.
My decision to come here was, I want to win a championship, and this is a great place to be. It's close to home. It's closer to my family. I've definitely embraced it. I mean, I love it. I think I love it maybe even more than the fans love it. But to see their appreciation and support, it goes a long way. Helps me play better, the team play better. Just the energy and the happiness I can bring to the team is one thing I want to bring big time.
Here to raise money, raise the roof, and raise the cup. You got all that?
If you haven't heard that, you should, and you should go buy one of those shirts.
With the Walleye, 𝗦𝗫cie 𝗶𝗵𝗵𝗁, BCSN.
And if you haven't heard, Mitchell and the Fish back in action Friday night to open up the Kelly Cup playoffs against Cincinnati. Of course, Toledo dominated the Cyclones this year, winning 6 of 7. Games 1 and 2 at home Friday, Saturday. Then they're down in Cincinnati for 3 and 4, and if necessary, 5. And of course, all games, home and away for the postseason, can be seen live right here on BCSN.